Welcome to Modern Pulse, your go-to channel for the latest in automotive excellence. Today, we're diving deep into the exterior of the 2025 MG Hector, a vehicle that seamlessly blends contemporary design with robust performance. Let's explore what makes this SUV a standout on the road. The 2025 MG Hector commands attention with its imposing presence. At the forefront, the Argyle-inspired diamond mesh grille takes center stage, featuring a mix of chrome and piano black accents. This expansive grille not only enhances the vehicle's aesthetic appeal but also signifies its bold character. Flanking the grille are sleek LED daytime running lamps DRLs positioned above the main headlamp clusters housed in a sophisticated piano black finish. This split headlamp design provides a modern and aggressive look, ensuring the Hector is instantly recognizable. Moving to the side profile, the Hector maintains its dynamic stance. The SUV rides on 18-inch dual-tone machined alloy wheels, fitted with 215/55 R17 tires, offering both style and stability. The carefully sculpted lines along the body contribute to its aerodynamic efficiency while adding a sense of motion even when stationary. At the rear, subtle yet impactful changes have been made. The MG logo is now more compact, accompanied by a chrome strip that extends under the redesigned LED tail lamp clusters. These tail lamps are connected by an LED strip, creating a cohesive and modern appearance. The HECTOR badging is prominently displayed at the bottom of the tailgate, adding a touch of sophistication. The rear bumper has been revamped to feature dual faux exhausts and a faux skid plate with a chrome border, enhancing its sporty demeanor. A new addition to the Hector's color palette is the dune brown shade, offering a fresh and earthy tone that complements the SUV's design language. This color, combined with the vehicle's bold lines and features, ensures that the Hector stands out in any environment. Under the hood, the 2025 MG Hector offers a choice between a 1.5-liter turbocharged intercooled petrol engine and a 2.0-liter turbocharged diesel engine. The petrol variant delivers 143 PS at 5,000 RPM, while the diesel variant produces 170 PS at 3,750 RPM. These powertrains are designed to provide a balance between performance and efficiency, catering to a variety of driving preferences. The Hector's suspension system comprises a McPherson strut with coil springs at the front and a beam assembly with coil springs at the rear. This setup ensures a comfortable ride across diverse terrains. Additionally, the SUV is equipped with disc brakes on both the front and rear, providing reliable stopping power. The MG Hector's journey began in 2019 when it was first introduced to the Indian market. Over the years, it has undergone significant transformations, evolving in design and technology to meet the changing demands of consumers. The 2025 iteration represents the culmination of these advancements, offering a vehicle that is both aesthetically pleasing and performance-oriented. In terms of features, the Hector boasts an automatic powered tailgate, allowing for convenient access to the cargo area. The intelligent turn indicator enhances safety by ensuring clear communication with other road users. These exterior features are thoughtfully integrated to provide both functionality and style. In conclusion, the 2025 MG Hector's exterior is a testament to meticulous design and engineering. Its bold aesthetics, combined with practical features and robust performance, make it a compelling choice for those seeking a modern SUV. Stay tuned to Modern Pulse for more in-depth reviews and insights into the latest automotive innovations.